My name's Chris Connelly, and today I'm going to show you how to play No Woman No Cry by Bob Marley. Quite a simple chord arrangement, but the rhythm's quite a little bit tricky. In some arrangements, I've got the capo here, you will hear it played without a capo or in the standard E, C with a B bass, A minor. Sometimes it's in a semitone higher and it will sound like this. There are quite a few live versions that do that. I think the studio version is the same, but quite a few live versions are like this. So that's how I'm going to show you. It does sound different. You want to play with the song, put the capo on. Okay. I'm going to break it into four sections, four rhythm sections, and we have the first section, which is the intro and the chorus are the same chords. Okay. So it's a C. It's a C with a B bass. Now when I say C with a B bass, I always use that. You will hear some people say a G with a B bass. I'm going to say C with a B bass. So we've got a C, C with a B bass, an A minor and an F, then a C, and then we've got a little tricky bit here, and another tricky bit. Okay, so let's break that down. We've got a C chord. We've got a C with a B bass. What that means is you take your second